Hi everybody, I'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Dave.
I'm Kayla.
And we own and operate a hail repair company called Indigo Hail Repair. And what Kayla and myself specialize in is paintless dent removal on vehicles that have experienced hail damage. The way we do this is a pretty unique technique. Paintless dent removal is actually where you get behind the metal and you massage those dents up from underneath, and you're kind of going back in time and undenting the vehicle. So when it hails in your car looks like a golf ball. There's tons of dents all over it. So we go through one by one and fix all those dents one by one. We're a locally owned and operated company, and I myself have been doing hail repair for 20 years. Kayla, how long have you been repairing hail vehicles now?
About 7 years now.
And what did you do prior to repairing hail damaged vehicles?
I was assistant manager at a body shop, and I also sold auto parts for over 5 years. So I've been in the automotive industry for a long time.
So between Kayla and myself, your vehicle will be in very good hands. We treat everybody's car like it's our very own. We'll take the time to educate you on the paintless dent removal process, estimate the vehicle, and do the proper repairs necessary to get your car back to pre-hail damage condition. So Kayla and I are going to fix this is a Chevrolet Impala. It's got some minor hail damage on it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Let's do it. So the first thing to do in repairing a hail damaged vehicle would be to remove any interior trim panels so you can have access to the panel. So we're going to remove the headliner in this vehicle right now to repair the roof. Now that we have the headliner down, the next step is to remove the hood liner to get access to the back of the hood.
So now that Kayla's removed the hood mat, I'm going to do just a brief demo on this hood to kind of show you how PDR is performed. So there's a pretty nasty dent here on this body line that we'll show you in just a second. I've got the hood up here leveraged. It's not going to go anywhere. I've got a hook that I'm going to hang from the hood, and then a tool we're going to use to push the dent out from the underneath. So this is going to serve as a fulcrum. So we're going to install this right in through here, and then we're going to slide this tool through here. Now this is going to give me plenty of leverage to push and massage this dent with my arm while creating a pivot point here in the center. So that was the demonstration on the hood. This dent was pretty complex. It was a large dent through the body line. So I had to work it a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and then rebuild that body line. And I had to keep switching back and forth by making a series of pushes to the back side of the panel. It took me about 100 pushes. And one of the questions I always get when somebody has a dent in their car is they always ask me, can you pop it out? Well, the dents don't actually pop out. If it was that easy, everybody would do it. And as you can see in that one dent, it's very complex to reshape this metal without damaging the paint job on the top of the car. So here at Indigo, we aim to fix your hail damage without disrupting the paint, so you don't then have to go to a body shop and have that panel repainted. So once again, this is paintless dent removal. We want to aim to keep it that way, and that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to demonstrate how we repair a roof. So the headliner is down. We're going to use a couple of long tools with these window hangers for leverage, and we're going to move through and fix all the dents on this roof. So Kayla, it looks like you're getting ready to start on the roof rail, and I think you'll probably use a little bit of different technique since we can't access the backside of the roof rail. So what will you do in this situation?
In this situation, what we're going to do is we're going to take a glue gun, a hot glue gun, and little bitty plastic pucks. We're going to put the glue on the pucks, put them on each dent, lightly glue pull, and blend as needed. All right.
So one of the benefits to having us repair your vehicle is when we repair the hail, while we're in here with all of our tools and massaging out all the hail dents, we also go through your vehicle and we'll fix any subsequent door dings, creases, little shopping cart dings that you may have in your doors or anywhere else. And usually along with those come minor scratches. So we have a way that we can take some minor scratches out as well. So anyways, this gentleman right here, he's got a pretty nasty dent right here. It looks like it's a crease. It's got a scratch kind of going through it. It's really, really unsightly. I mean, it's the first thing you see when you come up to the vehicle to exit the vehicle. So this isn't part of the hail damage, but we're gonna go ahead and fix this for this customer as well. The way I'm gonna do this is there's a little factory hole in here. So I'm gonna just stick a tool in there, massage that out, buff the scratch off, and then this will look very, very nice along with the hail damage being removed. Okay, so the door ding's all done. I used a 2-part compound polish made by 3M to remove the scratch that was inside the crease and pop the cap back on. And so now this gentleman, when he gets in his vehicle, reaches for the handle, he won't have an unsightly dent right there. So just adds to a little extra added value when we do the car to remove all the dents, not just the hail dents. And it makes for a really, really nice finish. So. Thanks for watching, everybody. That was our little demonstration of how we at Indigo Hail Repair use paintless dent removal to repair hail damaged vehicles. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the box below. Or if you yourself have a hail damaged vehicle, please give us a call and we'd love to earn your business. Thanks for watching. Sometimes people will try to fix their own dents, and I highly discourage that because you can break the paint really, really fast if you don't know what you're doing, and then the car has to go and be repainted. So anyways, at thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hi, everybody. Dr. Nick Riviera here to work on your car. Hope you like it.
I'm so scared.